Hi, I'm Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. In this video, you will learn a very cool animation called Star Wars Credits Animation Effect in PowerPoint. This video is created based on a request from one of our email subscribers. Let me show you the kind of effect you will learn to create today. It's a very simple one. Take a look at this. This is the black sky. Then on hitting enter, we have text entering pretty much like Star Wars credit. The thing is, you can have as much text as you want. For example, if I have some more text, I can do something like this. You can see our two main programs are, and you know the answer, all-in-one PowerPoint templates bundle and mastery program. And you see that that information is also presented in the Star Wars credit style. A variation of this is if you want different text moving in different speeds, then you can use something like this. We have the name going at a particular speed, and then we have the next line going at a different speed, and you can see that they are all joining together towards the end. So how do we achieve this effect? It's a very simple trick. Let me show you how to do that from scratch. The first step is to decide on the text you want to write. So let me go to the text box tool and I'm going to write my two main programs. Our two main programs are all in one PowerPoint bundle, and then we have Ramgopal's PowerPoint Mastery program. Now I've got my text in place. The next step is to choose a bold font. So let me select this and choose 2cen MT condensed extra bold. You can choose any other font like Arial. Let me increase the font size, and this is the next step. And then we need to have this centered, and that is another step. All these steps are very important to ensure that what you show actually looks like a professionally done effect. Looks like we can increase the font size even more. So let us go for 54 or even maybe 60. Yeah, that is good enough. And make sure that after selecting the box, you go to arrange, align, and say align center. So it is smack in the middle. Then the next thing we are going to do is to give a perspective angle. So let us right click on this, go to format shape, and then go to shape options, go to 3D rotation. And the preset we want to choose is under perspective, and it is called as perspective relaxed. Now you can see we have a perspective, but this is not enough. We are going to increase the perspective angle. So we are going to click on this one called as widen field of view. So as we click on this, you can see that we have the field of view widened. The maximum it goes to is 120. So you can choose to have 120, or if you want something lesser, it is completely up to you. I've chosen 120 degrees because this looks really stylish. The next thing is we are going to place this outside the area of the slide. So I'm going to choose this option here called zoom out in the slider bar. And then let us move this down. So I'm going to use my down arrow key and I'm going to place this just outside the slide area. The next thing we need to do is to give this a dark color because that is the way Star Wars animation looks. So let us right click, go to format background, and we choose a solid fill and let us choose dark color. Now since the font color of this is the same as the font color of the background, you won't be able to see the text. So let us select this and choose a contrasting color like white. Now all we need to do is to add custom animation. So let us close this, go to animations, open up the animation pane. There are two animations we are going to add. The first thing is fly out animation. So let us go here, and under exit we are going to choose fly out animation, and the direction is to top. So let us go to top, and that is how this is going to go. The next thing we want to happen is while this goes from here to here, it also needs to shrink in size. So let us go to add animation option. And let us choose this option called grow shrink, and then let us have this with previous. Let us go to effect options for that specific event, and then let us choose the size. This time custom size may be around 25%. So let us choose 25% and hit enter, and now we have size 25% and we say OK, and this happens simultaneously. Naturally, both of them have to match in terms of duration, and it is a good idea to have them happen very slowly. So the two animations are going to be for 8 seconds each. So I'm going to choose 8 seconds for this, and let us select the second one and choose 8 seconds, and they both match and they are happening simultaneously. Now when I go to the slideshow mode, when I hit click, you can see that two animations are happening. One is flying out, and while it is flying out, you can see that it is shrinking in size, and that is the reason why you get this very interesting effect. Now to talk about the variation, here you can see I have two words. One is Ramgopal and the other one is presentationprocess.com. Now I've kept both of them one on top of the other, and let us go to animations and watch what happens in animation pane here. You can see that both of them have the same set of animations. We have fly out animation and shrink animation. But the second set of animations, which is the animation associated with presentation process, happens after a delay. In this case, the delay is 2 seconds. You can see that we have the duration of the animation as 8 seconds. The second animation happens after 2 seconds. That is the reason why when I line all of them together and when I go to the slideshow mode, see that we have fly out and shrink happening for the first one, and then we have the second one happening the same way, but then with a delay of 2 seconds. And you can always play with the duration. The lesser the duration, the faster is the movement. And if you want things to happen one next to the other, then you have lesser delay. And if you want a lot of gap between the two animations, then you can increase the delay. So those are the various options you have to play with. So I hope you found this interesting Star Wars credits animation effect to be handy. If you want to learn all about PowerPoint animation and so much more, you can always go to Ramgopal's PowerPoint Mastery Program. This is a comprehensive and creative PowerPoint training program, and if you are a professional who needs to take your PowerPoint game to the next level, then this is the program for you. With around 66.5 hours of content, you will never miss a thing. If you want to take a free sneak peek into PowerPoint Mastery Program and go through some of the lessons for free, then you can always click on the link here and join the free sneak peek program. If you are convinced of the quality of our program, then you can always sign up for lifetime subscription of Ramgopal's PowerPoint Mastery Program. So go ahead, click on the link, join the free sneak peek, and I will see you inside.